Riker, what are your 3 key tools that you guys use to ensure success in your second season of business? That's a great question, man. Great question. I know what it was for me. It was developing my sales and marketing skills. The equipment and supplies are all cool. They're all great. But unless you can sell and market really, really well, then there's no point in really having equipment.
We're focusing on your sales team or your own personal sales?
Look, you and I had a chat earlier, right? And we were speaking about what do you do with sports like hockey, right? Like, tell them about what we were talking about, man.
Yeah, so for anyone that doesn't know, like I played high level hockey my whole life, and we were talking today about what it's going to take for my own company, PadPal, to scale to the next level. And we were both. He right away said, like, as like the lead guy of my company, my number one focus should be sales. My sole focus at this point should be sales and marketing. And then we got into kind of like the nitty gritty of what PadPal needs to get to that next level. And he asked about training. So I let him know, yeah, we do our training every Monday. We have the guys show up at our shop and we do about 40 minutes of training. And he was like shocked by that. And he's like, would you train 40 minutes a day if you want to be a pro athlete? And I was like, well, how long do you train hockey? I'm like, every day. So just from going from that mindset of thinking one day a week, having everyone in one spot, because again, it's easy to get busy and have a bunch of guys going here and there. It's always go, 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 go. So we thought we were doing something special by having 1 hour every single week to do it. But after speaking with Judd and realizing the importance of sales and marketing and the importance of training every single day, we're definitely going to be implementing at least an hour every single day, to focus on not our sales and our marketing, but as well as our processes. So I know in my first year of business, because you said specifically to ensure your second season success, little things that can make a big difference. So I think we talked about this last week, is upping your average ticket price makes a big difference, right? If you're doing 10 jobs a day and you can make an extra $50 a job, that's extra $500 every single day, $2,500 a week, $10,000 a month, $40K throughout the summer, really adds up big time. And a good way to add that extra $50 without having any hesitancy is doing the little things like trimming your edges. If you see that there's a little weeds going through the interlock, take 2 seconds to clean it out. Stuff like that. Not only can you charge more, but those customers that you do a good job for are more likely to either Google my business profile, tell their friends. So it gets a much bigger snowball effect than just going there and doing a job, right? Anybody can show up and do the job, but if you're doing those little things right, you can charge more, and then it's going to snowball because they're going to be talking and they're going to be giving you your reviews. Like for instance, like we barely spent any money on Google ads or any ads for us. It took a bit to get there, obviously, last year. But like we have insane amount of word of mouth traffic coming through now. So I think second year, focusing on getting a very good online presence, upping your prices and making sure that you're doing those little things right, asking for referrals and just building a solid brand will bring in a lot more business, a lot more revenue without as much excess spending and ads and things to try to just go for a job by job basis.
So 3 key things to summarize: sales game, marketing game, and training. As for the equipment, from an investment perspective and improving your efficiency and maximizing your business, I would keep that as a 4th item that I think could be a discussion for sure. Happy to chat with you anytime about that. Some people want to offer multiple spray rigs, one for oil-based, one for coal tar emulsion, one for asphalt emulsion. There's a lot of things happening in the pavement industry. So those are some of the things that you can chat about as well, for offering multiple products to make sure that you're giving the value that you need to a customer that might be demanding a certain type of material, as an example, Riker. But yeah, sales, marketing, and training. It's huge, guys. Yeah. All right.